There was something I learned while we were walking yesterday. No, when we passed the pipe to bring water from the tank to where they are mixing the concrete, somebody now pulled the hose up. Then the flow was not with great follow. So Ezekiel said something is happening. He said this is not the right follow. He said, please bring that hose down. And the Holy Spirit just made me. So that is any time anybody raise himself higher, he hinder my flow. God walks in the lowly. To be humble means to be lowly. Say, even myself, I am lowly enough. We have to come low for the Holy Spirit to flow. So stop hindering and halting his move in you. You hinder his move when you are proud. You hinder his move when you are high-minded. When you think you know. When you treat yourself as an expert. When you say, I am not a little child. No, and Jesus said, unless you are converted and become a little child, you cannot be in the kingdom.